Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss some word problems. So we'll try to solve this by using very less pen and paper, by using very less calculations. Here it is given the mean weight of a group of 7 boys is 56 kg. And the individual weights in kgs of 6 of them are numerical values are given here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 values are given here. So find the weight of the 7th boy. So we are asked to find the weight of the 7th boy. Since the line says that the mean weight of a group of 7 boys is 56 kg. So the mean weight means the average. So the average weight of 7 boys is 56 kg, means it should be like that each of the boy, so each of them should be of 56 kgs. If that is so, then no problem, but it is saying that their weights are of different different kgs. So here 6 values are given and we are asked to find the 7th one. So to do this, we'll first calculate the total weights of the 7 boys. So we'll multiply 56 with 7. So that will result, so 392 will be our total value. That is the total weight of 7 boys. Then we have to add these 6 values. So if we add these all the 6 values, then we'll get 338. Which is not 392. So this 338 is the total of the weights of all the 6 boys. If we include him, the 7th one, then the total weight becomes 392, because it is saying that the average is 56, and if we calculate this total number, that is 392. So if we subtract 338, that is the weight of the 6th boys, from this 392, then we'll get the weight of the 7th boy. So here it will be 54. So the 7th boy will be of 54 kgs. Next question. A cricketer has a mean score of 58 runs in 9 innings. And find out how many runs are to be scored by him in the 10th innings to raise the mean score of 61. So here it is saying a cricketer has a mean score, means the average score of his total 9 innings. That is 58. It is saying that if he plays one more innings, that is in the 10th innings, so whatever the runs he scored in the 10th innings, so that will result that their mean score or the average will be increased by 3 runs. So understand that what it is saying, that after playing the 10th innings, so the average will be 61. So in the 10th innings he must have 61 runs. It is the average. In 61 will be there. And what about the previous 9 innings? So the 9 innings were of 58 runs. So from 58 to 61, here we can see 3 runs increased. But these 3 runs are increasing in all the past 9 innings. So if we multiply these 3 runs with the past 9 innings, that will be 27. So in the 10th innings he should have scored this 61 as a whole, and then 27 more runs to make up the runs. So here it will be 88. So in the 10th innings he had scored 88 runs in total. Here is one more question of the similar kind. I think this will clear your conception of the previous one also. So here it is given the mean of 5 numbers is 28. And if one of the numbers is excluded, so the mean gets reduced by 2. So find the excluded number. So here it is saying that the average of 5 numbers is 28. And if we exclude one number, then this average is reduced by 2. So the total of the 5 numbers will be 5 into 28. So 5 into 28 will be 140. So 140 is the total of the 5 numbers. And it's saying if we exclude one number. So if we exclude one number, then the total numbers will be 4. And their average will be reduced by 2. So if the average for the 5 numbers was 28, and after reducing 2, this will be 26. So in the new case, what will happen, 4 numbers will be there and their average will be 26. So we can see here 5 into 28 is giving us 140, and 4 into 26 is giving us 104. So if we subtract 104 from 140, that will be our excluded number. Okay, so here this will be 36. Okay, so the excluded number will be 36. Next is a problem based on time and works. Okay, so here it is given A and B together can do a piece of work in 15 days while B alone can finish it in 20 days. Okay, so in how many days can A alone finish the work? Okay, so to find this we have to know the efficiency of A and B. So to know the efficiency of A and B alone, we will find LCMs. Okay, so LCMs of this 15 and 20. Okay, here as we can see, A plus B, okay, means A and B can do a work in 15 days and B alone can do the same work in 20 days. Okay, in 20 days. So if we take the LCM, so LCM will be 60, that will be our total work. Okay, so if we find the efficiency of this, okay, so A and B together can do this work in 4 days. Okay, and B alone can do this in 3 days. Okay, so these are their efficiency. Okay, so A plus B is equal to 4 and B single is equal to 3. That means the efficiency of A will be 1. Okay, because 4 minus 3 will be 1, because this 4 is the efficiency of A and B together. Okay, so if we subtract the B's efficiency, then we will get A's efficiency. Okay, since the efficiency of A is 1, so to complete the work he will need 60 days because the total work is 60. Okay, so if A completes 1 unit per day, then he will complete the whole work in 60 days. Okay, so 60 days will be the correct answer. Okay, then next is A can do a piece of work in 25 days and B can finish it in 20 days. Okay, so they work together for 5 days and then A leaves. Okay, so after doing for 5 days A leaves. Okay, so then in how many days will B finish the remaining work? Okay, so to do this, so similarly just like the earlier one, we'll check the LCM. Okay, so here it is saying that A can do the work in 25 days and B can do the same work in 20 days. Okay, so here the LCM of there will be 100. There is the total work. Okay, they will have to complete 100 units of works. Okay, then we'll have to find the efficiency of A and B. So the efficiency of A is this will be 4 units, 25, 100 by 25. Okay, then this is efficiency of B will be of 5 units. Okay, means A can complete 4 units of the task in 1 day and B can complete 5 units of the work in 1 day. Okay, so from here we can get that A plus B, this will be 4 plus 5 will be 9. Okay, so together they can complete 9 units of the work in a single day and they were working together for 5 days. Okay, so 5 9s are 45, so they had completed 45 works together. Okay, so after completing 45 A leaves. Okay, so the remaining work will be of 100 minus 45 will be 55. Okay, so these 55 units of works is to be completed by B alone. Okay, so if B can complete 5 units of the work in a single day, so he will take 55 by 5, that is 11 days. Okay, so 11 days to complete the whole work. Okay, next is the problems based on ratio and proportion. Okay, so here it is saying two numbers are in the ratio 3:4 and if the sum of the numbers is 63, then find the numbers. Okay, so these are actually easy questions. Okay, in the question paper out of the 20 questions, okay, you will find some very easy questions and some are moderate, then some are easy to moderate or a little bit difficult. Okay, so question paper is prepared by amalgamating all patterned questions. Okay, so here it is saying two numbers are in the ratio 3:4. Okay, we don't know the original value, so therefore we will consider this as 3x and 4x. Okay, so 3x plus 4x will be 7x. Okay, so it is saying that 7x is equal to 63. Okay, so if 7x is equal to 63, then x will be 7 9s are, isn't it? So x will be 9, so the numbers will be 3x means 3 into 9, that will be 27. Okay, and this is 4 into 9, that means 4 9s are 36. So the numbers are 27 and 36. Okay, next is mother divided the money among Ron, Sam and Maria in the ratio of 2:3:5. Okay, so if Maria got $150, then find the total amount that the money received by Ron and Sam. Okay, so a sum of money was divided among 3 children by their mother. Okay, so the children were called Ron, Sam and Maria. Okay, so their respective ratios are 2:3:5. Okay, so it is saying that if Maria got $150, okay, so Maria's ratio is 5. Okay, so if 5 ratio means 150, then 1 ratio will be 30. So if 1 ratio means 30, then the share of Ron will be 2 ratio. That means the share of Ron will be 60 rupees. Okay, and the share of Sam will be 3 ratio. Therefore 3 ratio will be 90. Okay. Okay, next is a problem based on percentage. Okay, so here it is given in an examination 300 students appeared. So out of these students 28% got first division, then 54% got second division, and the remaining were just passed. Okay, so assuming that no student failed, we have to find the number of students who just passed. Okay, so here it is given in an examination there are 300 students, okay, total appearing. So out of them no one has failed. Okay, so out of them 28% got first division. Okay, so we have to calculate 28% of 300. Okay, so how we'll calculate this? The total is 300. Okay, so 300 is 100%, so 30 will be 10%. Okay, so to calculate 28%, let's first calculate 30%. Okay, so if 10% means 30, then 30% will be how much? Will be 90, isn't it? But we don't need 30%, we need 28%. So we'll reduce 2% from this. Okay, 30%. Okay, so 1% of 300 will be 3, so we'll reduce 2%. Okay, 2% means we'll subtract 6 from 90. Okay, that will be 84. Okay, so 84 is the 28%. Okay, so 28% means 84 students. Then we have to find 54%. Okay, so to find 54%, let's first find 50%. So 50% of 300 will be 150, then additional 4% we need. So 1% means 3, and 4% will be 4 3s are 12. Okay, so here we are getting 150 plus 12 will be, okay, let me write here. So 150 plus 12 will be 162. Okay, so we got two numbers, that is 28% means 84 and 54% means 162. Okay, so if we sum up this, so we'll get 84 plus 162 will be your 246. Okay, so 246 students had passed with division. Okay, and we have to find how many students have passed without any division, just passed. Okay, so if we subtract 246 from 300, so 156 will be the answer. Okay,